Welcome to C9's Dash Notify online tutorials. In this lesson, we're going to walk through how to create and schedule a campaign. With campaigns, you can automatically send thousands of messages to your subscribers. To get started, log into your account. Once logged in, go to the Campaigns option in your main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. A list of your current and past campaigns should appear. Each campaign should show its name, the date and time it was sent, its current status, and its status progress. Search for a specific campaign using the search bar, or filter the campaigns using the status and date options. To view the details for a specific campaign, click the campaign name or arrow located on the right side of each campaign box. Information about the campaign and its message will appear. Click the arrow, which should now be pointed upward, to condense the campaign information again. To create a campaign, click the plus Create Campaign button in the upper right-hand corner. Input the campaign name, number, contact list, and message content. You can leave the number option blank to use all of your long codes. For the message content, you can use a current template or create a new message with the option of keeping that message as a new template for future use. Click Cancel to discard the campaign. Click Schedule to pick a date and time to send the campaign out in the future. Or click Send Now to send the campaign immediately. And with a simple click of a button, you've just sent your first campaign. With Dash Notify, it's that easy to reach your target audiences. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out our channel for more software solutions and learn how we provide success as a service. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.